Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot, SCADA, string level, bifacial thermal, and curtailment. Why manual inspections for 30 megawatts are obsolete. If you think this is just another software pitch, it is not. This is an audit process for asset managers protecting ROI. On a 30 megawatt plus site, a small anomaly can become a board-level revenue leak. Here is one concrete defect and how you see it now. And here is what the SCADA data misses in the same moment. Now watch what an AI agent surfaces before it becomes a warranty, safety, or revenue event. Translate the physics into money and time. A tiny yield loss compounds across a 30 megawatt portfolio. It also steals hours from the O&M team every week. Use the rule of 3. Point 1. What the team sees. Point 2. What SCADA misses. Point 3. What the AI agent surfaces in time. We covered the visible symptom and the hidden mechanism. Now here is the decision that prevents the real loss. AI does not replace your technician. It acts like a super technician that triages faster and flags priority defects. What used to take days of manual review can be narrowed to the right faults in minutes with evidence your team can act on today. In the free inspection speed benchmark sheet, we break down thresholds, escalation rules, and handoff logic. Fixing this leak is critical, but the next defect is the one that can take an asset offline completely. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decision.